Here are 3 different things that I will be teaching in my upcoming frame drum making workshop. So the first part of this workshop will be all about connecting with the hide and the frame of the drum. And you'll learn all about how to connect with type of animal hide you have, whether it's deer or elk, and about the frame and the tree where the frame came from. And we're going to set some intentions and just bond with the process of making a frame drum. The second part will be all about assembling the drum. We will be working with a natural hide and a frame, and you will learn how to weave the sinew together and create a bond to connect the frame and the hide, and then making a handle so that you can hold the drum. After we've assembled the drum, we will also be making these mallets or drum beaters. And these are also a really important part of the drum making process, because these are how you play the drum and bring out the voice of your very own drum, like this. I will be hosting this frame drum making workshop here in St. Paul, Minnesota in February. If you'd like to come, just comment workshop below and I'll send you the link. Hope to see you there.